Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are finally painting my engine bay and painting the whole underside of the car. What I'm using is this Rustoleum. We're just going to be rolling it. I had a buddy do his engine bay and stuff with this, but in red, and it turned out very good. I'll probably have to get more paint. It's only 32 ounces, so make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and I hope you enjoy the video. And after I get done painting it, then it's finally time to start actually putting the car back together. So pretty excited. So here goes nothing. So I took the sway bar loose and my struts loose, and I took the springs out. So what I'm just gonna do, I'm just gonna let the rear end just basically hang there. I might put the wheel back on because after I paint this back half, I'm actually gonna weld up some of the holes for the fuel lines up here, because I'm going to weld this up, then I'll run the fuel lines back here in the back and hide that. Then I'll also be cutting a hole in the fender to run the wiring harness and run it inside the fender. So I'm going to have to load it back on the trailer and take it back to my buddy that has a welder. So I'm just going to let the rear end sag. That way after we get the back half painted, I can just lift it back into place. So here goes nothing, I guess. I still gotta use the brake cleaner and clean up some of the spots that I missed. Like, I missed a few spots up in here where I couldn't get it with the pressure washer, but a lot of work. Okay, so finally got all this clean. I just used the brake cleaner to hit the high spots that I missed with the pressure washer. So me and my wife are gonna start painting now. I've done a little section right here the other day with just a brush, but we're just gonna roll it on and hopefully it works. So here it is before, and hopefully it'll turn out pretty nice. So we just used a little bitty quart, or not quart, but a little, I think it's a pint, and it looks pretty good. Got my old lady helping me out, so it looks great for pay $15 in paint. So I painted just the rest of this, then I'm trying to get my bumper support off, that way I can just paint the rest of that. Then the spots we can't get with the roller, well, get with the paintbrush and stuff, but if this looks like crap right now out here, but all this is gonna be covered with the bumpers and stuff, so just trying to make it look a little decent. But turned out pretty good. Having fun. Now we got 3/4 of the car more to do. So far we've got all this painted. Well, she done all that. Then I painted some up there at the front. So we're gonna finish this side and that side, and then we're gonna go do our Christmas and come back in a day or two and finish the rest and touch up where like little spots we need a brush. But so far it looks really good. I'm glad I'm finally getting to paint it, but a lot more to do. Okay, so we're gonna call it a day for the day. We just got basically this half done, then the sides up there. So it's another little overview. Then I already painted up here a little bit. I just painted like where the transition goes a little bit, but it's gonna look really good once we get it done. So now me and her is going to go to my mom's for Christmas. So we're gonna let what we didn't dry. Then when we come back in like 2 days, we're gonna go probably back over the little spots. Then we will paint the engine bay. I'll probably paint all this. Then I'll leave this unpaintable. I'm gonna weld that up, run the fuel lines on the back, and do that. So. Well, I'll see y'all in 2 days. Okay, so I got my K member dropped out, and I got my buddy George at Advanced Automotive to weld up my fuel line hole, and I just got done sanding it smooth, and we cut a hole right here to run my fuel lines. That way I can run them out the back. Then it was a pretty simple process of dropping the K member again until I believe it was this bolt, one of the bolts, yeah, that bolt. I stripped the head, so I had it grinded. That took all night last night because I had to go get some wheels. So now we are going to finally paint the engine bay. This is the main thing I've been focused on ever since I have took the car apart, is to have a nice clean engine bay. So here we go. So we finally got everything painted and let it dry last night. It turned out really good for, I say, about $20 in paint and $20 in brushes. Then I went ahead and bolted up my UMI Performance tubular K member. It fits amazing, as you can tell. So that really looks good with a nice clean painted engine bay. I still got all that to put on, and I got a ton of other stuff to put on the car too when I go to put it back together. But here's a little overview. Then of course we done the whole underside and stuff as you've seen. But make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm really excited to finally get the engine bay nice and clean and painted. That was my main goal for I don't know how long, to actually have a nice engine bay, because I like whenever you pop the hood open, people will be like, dang, that's nice and clean. So but make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video.